Gonna be a fiddler someday, but you better get to practicing before you're old and grey, and your best years slip away. We laughed and joked and skipped along the way, wondered if we'd ever be nostalgic for these days, but we are old and grey. Sat with a sad old man in a dark cafe. I asked him what he's living for. He said not much these days. You are young, you best be on your way. If you wanna be a fiddler someday, you better get to practicing before you're old and grey, and your best years slip away. All day and on into the night, got there just before the shining early morning light. When it was such a sight, is you're gonna be a fiddler someday, but you better get to practicing before you're old and grey, and your best years slip away. You're dreaming you will be a fiddler, an astronaut, a man that's on TV. Well, do it, yeah, don't just wait and see, 'cause you're gonna be a fiddler someday, but you better get to practicing before you're old and grey, and your best years slip away. Someday, but you better get to practicing before you're old and grey, and your best years slip away.